All right, so if we want to draw the orthographic views of this part here, what we want to do is first figure out what we want to be as our front or primary view. So based on this view side here, the L, that's more descriptive than a box. So we're going to use that as our primary. And then we also want to make a second view. So go top down or from the side, we're going to have visible lines. If we go from this side or this side, then we're going to have hidden lines for those edges. So I'm going to do this L and then the side view from it. So I can tell that this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 wide. 1, 2, 3, 4 high. I'm going to sketch that out. 1, 2, 3, 4 high, 4 wide. Go up 2, back to there, and there. That is that side view, and I only did a 3 wide. So let's make it the actual size. There we go. So constantly kind of look at your proportions, make sure that you drew what you actually wanted to draw. So now I want to do the side view, and so I'm going to make sure I'm here. I'm going to come over, and I'm going to pick where I want my starting point to be. I'm going to go up to where it lines up with that one. So if you have a construction line, you can do that. Just draw a real light line so you know where those are. Now I can count how far I want it to go back. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down, and again with the construction line from this corner. Anytime we have a corner, we have to project it. So I'm going to come from here across, and I can see that that line goes all the way across. It's not broken. It doesn't stop anywhere. Now I can draw that line all the way across there, and now I completed 2 views of this part.